Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For our recording today, well, it is the third recording for today. I'm trying to make as much video as I can um, because I've been busy for the since last November rather. So for this one, we are working on the new version of QC. It is QC Result Quality Version 2. For those guys who haven't qualified, you can reference this video. For you to pass, you have to finish up or answer at least 8 qualification HITAPPs. So let's jump into this. The first one is Naira Land. I'm not sure what's happening to me today, but I keep on stuttering. For this one, it's a no, and it's going to be poor. Next is can you find the content? This is App Store. It's yes here and best source. This is going to be a quick video, guys, and not much hit to pass the quali. So this one is. Hold on, I'm sorry. This which website is this? Let's pull that up on another window. Britannic. One second here. It's yes, and then will be high authority. That's a very reliable website. And moving on to the next, we got here. Let's open that on a new tab. 123 movies. Um, hold on. This is going to be no and poor. Oh no, unknown authority. Okay, authority is four. Unknown authority. I'm not sure what happened. Well, we answered incorrectly here, but it's supposed to be two two. So it's no, and then it's oh, I can't believe it's high authority. Anyways, moving on to the next. Simple to remember. It's going to be yes, and then for this one, it's going to be unknown authority. That website is rather unknown to many. What do we got here? Michigan Gov. This is a good page, and this is going to be yes, and it's going to be best source. Let's move on to the next. Eat this. All right, guys. If you do remember the old QC, you probably will qualify for this. For this one, it's going to be yes, and then of course high authority. Yeah, so we passed the qualification. Again, it's easy. It's the QZ result quality version 2 English. They got rid of a question here. I'm not sure. I cannot recall what is it, but supposedly on QZ, they got three questions on the previous or on the latter version of the hit. I hope this video helped you to pass. Again, if you've been working on the old QZ or the latter version of this hit, you should be able to qualify for this one as well. Okay, again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for watching. Now, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Our Facebook group is CLICKWORKER Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. We also have launched our Signal chat room. There you can ask questions and sometimes maybe get notified if there are available hits. But the majority of the chats there will be just answer or questions and answer, not much for notification. For notification, guys, I would suggest you continue to monitor the marketplace instead of relying or waiting for someone to notify you, that there is a new hit on the marketplace. For me, it's just not uh, something that other people should do for you. If you want to earn, you really got to work hard. You have to spend time on it. Okay. um, Again, have a good day and thank you for watching. Bye for now.